Right, here we have it, the actual setup. If you notice, it's a little windy, but that's perfect because we do have some hooks on it. Now, we put a virtual background here, but you could pretty much set this up as you want, as you please. So for pictures or for any events that you want, this thing's perfect. And like you see, I have it outdoors. It took me about maybe 15 minutes to put the whole thing together. And the wind is trying to move it real quick, but I'm gonna show you what I did. There's some hooks on the bottom here. I'm gonna show you this point of view here, so you can see how the frame is. Now the frame, it took me about 20 to 30 minutes to put together. Its instructions were intuitive, very simple to put together on the whole entire thing. Some of them are labeled because the corners require like the L shape. And then also the screws came with its own Allen tool, which I have here to fasten it. So they also include extra tools, extra screws in case you lose one or two. But if you're looking for something for indoors or outdoors for events, this is perfect. Now, high winds, I don't recommend you high winds because it's a little fragile in some of the joints. If you guys notice, look at that one over there in the corner. So make sure you don't put a lot more weight than what you anticipated, because if you're looking for something that you want to plainly set up flowers or maybe indoors, then you could go ahead and do it. But if you're going to do it outdoors, this is what you're going to deal with, all right? So the reason I got it out here, so you can see the insides and the outsides of it. We're also going to remove the top so you can see how it looks without it. Here you have it, complete style. Everything, like I said, screw, Allen wrench was included. It's tall, it stands over 6 feet tall. And I'm gonna show you how tall it is compared to me. I'm 6 feet. So if you're gonna get something like this for an event or a wedding or the next event that you have indoors or outdoors that you wanna actually add things to it, flower decorations, like I said, backgrounds for pictures, photos, and on top of that, it transforms into something very small and compact and ready to take out anywhere. Perfect for traveling. If you're an event planner, this is something you want to take a look at it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.